Stock dummy here. The market's about to open, and there's a stock that I absolutely should stay away from. It's called Guinness. It's for child books or something, I don't know. It's gone up 2,500%. Last month it was at a penny. Now it's at $9. It has 20 employees. This thing is on a rocket ship. It shows every sign of a pump and dump where they pump up the stock, drop it, and the people on the inside get rich. Everybody else is left out in the cold. So it's telling me to don't buy, Mike. And everything inside of me is saying don't buy, don't buy. But greed is what gets you. So I'm going to be a little greedy on this one. I'm going to put $500, $600 on it and take a nap, wake up, and see what happens. Scared money don't make money. So this is at what, 8 or 9:25. I will let you know how the day ends. Stock Dummy here. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.